Welcome back to the channel. So, real quick video for you why crypto is down. We are right now in a pretty significant move down. The overall market's down 7.5 points. You can see right here down to 2,540,000,000,000 and change. Bitcoin down 7 points, Ethereum down 7 points, just kind of rolling down. XRP down 9, Cardano 12, Dogecoin 13, 11, SHIB 13, Polkadot 11, and so forth. Okay, so here's what's going on. So we've got quite a few different variables that are playing out today. I think number one of the main ones is a kind of move down from an overall very, very significant move up that we've had in the last month, give or take. Right? I think we got some profit taking. I think we've got a kind of a we needed some type of a pullback because it always it happens, right? And we need that. And so kind of moving down, let me give you these specific reasons here for you. Okay, so uh, excuse me. We have a macroeconomic factor hitting us, the hotter than expected U.S. producer price index, the PPI data report has come out. Rising bond yields and all that, it's putting pressure on the crypto market. I think that's definitely part of it, especially this one, the PPI. So anytime we get a little bit hotter than expected PPI, that one is one. There is a negative Coinbase premium playing out, indicating a bearish sentiment from U.S. markets and reduced inflows into spot Bitcoin ETFs. Now, again, the spot Bitcoin ETFs have been on fire, so we've got a little bit of a not as big of capital inflow there as previously. Again, I don't think that's a major part of it, but I think this is just kind of a standard pullback, kind of it was going to happen. I've been talking about it in videos and things of that nature. Some analysts view the pullback as a typical bull breather. Again, what I've been talking about after sharp uptrends, while others attribute it to uncertainties ahead of the next month's mining reward halving. Okay. Again, I don't see any uncertainties ahead of the Bitcoin halving coming later in April. There is no uncertainties. We know it's going to happen, right? We know historically that we can and should see some type of pullback a little bit before we hit that Bitcoin halving event, which we are seeing today, right now, and right here, right? And Bitcoin down 67 to 67,500, volume up 90%. That's very interesting in there. So we've got quite a bit of selling volume going on as well. Obviously, the bears outweigh the bulls because it's moving down. And again, I don't think that this is really a thing either. Grayscale's continued selling of Bitcoin, but they did move over 400 million in Bitcoin to Coinbase. Okay, so again, 400 million in an overall. Let's look at the volume. I mean, look, the volume of Bitcoin is 85 billions right here. The volume of Bitcoin is 85 billion. 400 million is not going to really impact that. Now, this particular scenario here is the press, the media, and people are like, oh my God, Grayscale's, moving 400 million in Bitcoin to Coinbase to liquidate. I don't think that's a thing relative to the overall volume. I don't think that volume play is hitting it. I think the press factor could be something there. Now that's real, right? We know that could happen. We know it has happened, and people get a little bit jumpy, when they see, oh my God, there's 400 million, but they don't look at the volume associated with how much of Bitcoin is being sold at any given point. Okay, so I think we'll continue to see the sell-off pullback for the remainder of the day. Again, you guys know me. I'm definitely kind of a glass half full kind of guy, and I think that right now we will see opportunities, right, to pick up pretty significant opportunities to pick up different blue chip assets, Bitcoin, Ethereum, again, Solana, BNB, XRP, Cardano, you name it. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, if those are particularly ones that you like to hold in your portfolio. Avalanche down 12. I mean, if we look right here, the best out of the top 100, the top performing one is Ox Protocol. It's up 7.5%. Now look, the one that's down the most, we've got Bitcoin SV, Bonk, Mantle, Thor, Chronos down 14. Again, not a really particularly bloody day per se, but down double digits, 10, 13%, things of that nature. Okay. So thanks for giving me a few minutes of your time. As always, I appreciate you. I'll see you. Bye.